and today I'm going to be doing fidget trading with Summer, and I'm not going to show her fidgets, I'm just going to show the fidgets that I have. So yeah, these are the fidgets that I have. Oh, you can't really see this one, can you? I just put that one there, like this. So yeah, I'm going to try and aim for every puppet that I bring, and all the monkey noodles. So yeah.
Yeah, and by the way, I have like some things that I'm classing as fidgets, like this, like
It's like a hairband thing.
Like this, like hairband, which is like a zebra.
I've got one of those at home, but I didn't bring it with
like
me.
this, like clicker thingy.
For her, like.
Well, no, it's not.
Is it not?
This like jumbo marble, which I'm glassing off like a hand occupier thingy.
Eating chips.
And this like textured
hairbrush.
So those are mine.
Okay, you can also see my fidgets though. Yeah.
Yeah, right.
Right.
So shall we start who's offering for who first? And I'm gonna try and aim for this for this.
So she wants to try and offer for this.
Yes, I am.
So what would you be your offer for this?
Okay, my offer is these 2 monkey noodles.
Add.
And this giant marble.
Add 2 more things.
This and this.
Add.
Last offer and this hair tie.
It's kind of a bad trade, but accept.
Because I really want this.
Okay, so showing you guys, I got all of the things, but when I got these monkey noodles, I didn't get the blue one. That's kind of a bummer, but I got all the monkey noodles that I own. I got this marble for it. Oh,
yeah,
God.
she has this infinity cube that I'm playing with now.
This cube that matches with this one, kind of. This clicky thingy, and this hairband thing. So yeah, that's the stuff that she offered. Trading. This is.
Yeah, I'm not offering this for the rest because I really like it.
No, what would your offer be for this? Rubik's Cube.
This really fun textured hairbrush.
Decline.
Okay. I'm gonna offer her this. Trading this clear, glittery, slimy stress ball.
Ooh, because then I can get both of the colours that I own. I'm gonna trade this and this and
plus, I'm
this.
also like offering, trading like this.
Oh, they can't really see it. Hang on. There. This is the clear one of this.
Yeah.
Okay, this is gonna be. This is gonna be my offer.
What's your offer?
I really, really want it. That's my offer.
Add the strawberry, squishy, and I'll accept.
No, decline. Okay, I guess I'm keeping my fidgets that I had before. Because I'm not adding this. This is too big, and that will be like a scam. So, like, no. No way in 100 years. I love him. Scammer!
I like it though. Right, okay. Right. It's just I'm not trading this because I like it.
You hand trade it.
This is not for trade.
Yes, it is. Because I had to trade it to you.
Sure. I'll pretend it's not for trade at like the moment.
Trading all of this stuff.
This can be done.
Except, I got this smiley face Nido.
Okay, I'm just sorting my fidgets out now.
She's just going to sort her fidgets out.
Okay, I've sorted them out now.
Didn't take her long. But I'm going to trade this. Oh, God. Fidget cube.
Give me a sec. just have got like a rainbow pattern on them.
Fine. Got it back.
Okay. Right, good. I'm gonna trade this marble.
I don't really have anything to offer for it. A marble. I'm gonna trade this for it. That's my offer.
Decline.
Thank God, because I don't really want to trade this for it. Yeah. Okay.
Right, what are you gonna trade me something?
Yes.
Okay. Oh my god. This infinity cube and this stress ball and this marble.
Add or I'm declining.
Fine. This clicker, this hairband, and this marble and mesh.
Add.
My last offer is this textured hairbrush.
Can you just add one more thing?
No, because I only have 2.
Fine, accept.
Oh yeah, I really wanted this. This is like my
Okay, so I
dream.
got the 2 of these. So
This is my dream.
I got this back. This textured hairbrush. That's going to be out of the camera though,
This is like
because
my
it doesn't
dream.
really fit in the camera at the moment. So I'm gonna
This is my
I'm gonna sort
dream.
this out and I'll be back. I ended up like fitting this in, so now you can see. Oh, my fidgets. You can't really see this. There we go. That's better. Don't mind the black. It like fell off. There we go. That's a little bit.
Yeah.
That's a better view.
Yeah, I'm gonna try and offer for the unicorn puppet.
She's trying to offer for my brand new unicorn puppet.
Can I offer for your unicorn puppet?
Yeah,
Okay, I'm gonna add.
this is what she's offering for.
Okay, I'm gonna offer for the rainbow unicorn thing by adding this like super fun textured strawberry like kawaii stress.
Except you've only just got it. But look who I got
Oh my God,
back.
this is amazing.
She just traded me her dream fidget out of all my fidgets I have for a unicorn rainbow puppet.
Well, now I've got 3 puppets. Now I've got all the puppets. Really.
Except from this hexagon one.
Yeah, it's just terrible. You can keep that.
It's not actually that bad.
I don't like that.
But anyways, I'm going to try and get all... I've got all of these. I've got all like my stress balls. I've got all my monkey noodles. The only thing that I need all of is puppets. So what can I trade? I'm going to trade... Ow.
Trading this turquoise puppet,
Oh no.
which is like super good and like super legendary.
These are the only things that I've got to offer.
Add one more thing and I'll accept.
I don't know what to add.
I want like one like good squishy and I'll accept.
I'll add. Hang on one sec.
As you can see, this sounds like amazing.
I will add. This.
Accept.
Haha, get found.
Well, not really, because you're the one who's losing it. So yeah.
Yeah, but then I've got a puppet for half of this. What?
Rude. I thought you can make a box of this.
You can.
Oh.
I figured out how to. But yeah.
I'm just sorting these real quick. Oh yeah, you can make like the star thing with it.
Yeah. I made the star thing with this half that I've got.
This one.
Okay, trading this. This is what I'm trading, by the way. I know I should have just given it to her, but
Well,
wasn't.
one of the halves of it. But
Yeah, the other half. So you can make it a full one. What's your offer?
this marble, this has thingy, this cooker, this marble brush, and this hammer, which is like most of my fidgets.
Can you just add one more thing?
Texture hairbrush. I
Um,
don't really care about it that much.
Except I got more for the price of one. So then she's got a whole thing. So what I got is this. I'm going to put over by the monkey noodles. This little hairband that I'm going to put on top of the poppets. Marble and mesh that I'm going to put down here. This little things that I'm going to put in here.
I need to figure out how to do
Marble here. Can I put these
Yeah,
here
yeah,
actually?
yeah.
So I can fit this
Sorry,
hairbrush.
pretend I label this as like not trade anymore.
She's not trading it no more. What I just gave her.
Yeah.
But yeah.
I'm obsessed with this.
She's obsessed. But anyways, so.
I think Lily knows that. It's easy to solve. All you need to do is twist it. That fidget cube, yes?
Yes.
Okay, give me a wait for 1 sec.
She's gonna offer.
Unicorn puppet.
Except. Got unicorn puppet back.
Yeah, she traded me the Rubik's cube.
Now I just have to get the rainbow circle puppet. Then I've got all the puppets, all the monkey noodles, all of the fidget cubes, all of my stress balls, and some extra stuff. Yeah.
Right, pretend I'm gonna like scan
Well,
you now.
Jesus Christ, no. I'm gonna turn the flashlight on.
Pretend I like scan you for this now for like a bunch of like fidgets because I have barely any. Okay.
Fine, I'm gonna let her scan me.
Trading this like super awesome legendary ultra rare.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Stressful, Rubik's cube.
Oh my god, I really, really want that. These, this marble, these two, this hairbrush, this thingy, and that's my final offer.
Except get scammed.
Whatever.
And then
I can always get that back.
And then you realise it's like super bad.
I don't care. I like it.
Right, I need to sort these out now. Well, at least I've got some more.
Yeah, true.
Joystick. Because I needed some more though. I don't really have money. I didn't have money.
Guys, listen to this.
That sounds nice.
Oh, yeah. They stick together.
Okay.
Did you hear that noise they just made? Pop, pop, pop.
Okay, I'm taking these apart. I'm making 2 stars with them. 1 star. Ooh,
I'll be back when she's finished doing this. Okay, she's done. Finally.
Uh-huh.
Um,
Okay. You want to trade me?
you're trading me.
Okay, trading this 12-sided fidget cube, which is like super cool because it's like got all these different things in it.
Except, I got this guy.
Yay! Some more fidgets. I'm just showing them my pile of fidgets that I have now.
I'm just going to show you guys how power fidget. It's the person that's playing fidget training with me. So,
Get rid of that, that's my phone.
these are fidgets.
As you can see, I made 2 stars out of this.
Yeah, so it makes it look like she's got more, but she actually has. And now I have to angle this.
I'm going to make them back into a
Yum yum. Ch-ch. You've still got loads of dinner left.
Huh?
Yeah, you've still got loads left. You've got loads of dinner left. By the way, guys, you're going to see a lot of videos because I'm sleeping around my friends and she's got a ring light. So I like doing videos around hers. So I'm sleeping around, so yeah.
There we go.
Well, sorry for the noises, we're eating. Wow, this chip looks well nice in the camera.
Nice.
Good.
I love this funny here. It's actually like no into it.
Like I mean,
Hey, I love this. It's amazing. How could you not love this? So I'm pretty sure Lily loves it as well.
what? She's got all of these.
Huh?
She's got. Oh, forgot that I zoomed in. She's got all of these fidgets, but this one is her favourite. I mean, I can't complain. That is my favourite. One of my favourites, anyways. So, yeah, I'm gonna do one more trade for both of us. So, someone's gonna offer something or something. Someone's gonna trade, and then I'm gonna trade, and then I'm gonna end the video.
Yeah.
Okay.
We've been fidget trading.
Yeah, this video is kind of long. Trading this. Oh, Nido.
Rubik's Cube.
Decline.
It's cute. Like I said, this Rubik's Cube is not for trading.
Okay, now you have to trade something.
I'm gonna trade this marble mash. It's not really good, so I'm gonna trade it. I don't really want it. Like super good marble mash.
I don't really have anything to offer,
It's fine.
so I'm not going to trade. I have nothing to trade, so I'm not going to trade. Put something else in the trade.
Okay. This like common hammer thing. It's not that good.
Okay, we're not going to do this trade, but I'm going to end the video here. And
Okay.
don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, so you get notified every time I post a new video. Goodbye. Say bye. Goodbye.